People are hating on this ChatGPT, this new AI that can literally almost do anything for you. And let me tell you why this is so powerful. Like, I literally might even cry. So I asked, my landlord won't give me my deposit back and I did nothing wrong. Can you write a letter to them demanding my deposit back or I will take legal action? Before I read this, I want you to think of every scenario that this can help someone. Free legal work. This is what it gave me in 2 seconds. Dear landlord, I'm requesting the immediate return of my security deposit in the amount of deposit. I have fulfilled all of my obligations as a tenant, including maintaining the rental property in good condition and paying my rent on time. I have not caused any damage to the property beyond normal wear and tear, and I have provided you with a forwarding address where you can send the deposit. As you are aware, I vacated the property on date of move-out date in accordance with the terms of the lease agreement. I have consistently paid my rent on time. If you do not return my deposit within blank days of receiving this letter, I will be forced to take legal action to recover the funds.